Here is how you set up notifications for responses to a form. If you're in the edit mode of a particular form, you can click on responses and then create spreadsheet if it doesn't already have one created. So I'll go ahead and create it. This is where you'll be receiving all your responses. From here, you can go into Tools and then Notification Rules. And then you can select a notification whenever any changes are made or anytime a user submits a form. And then you can choose to get the email right away or just a daily digest. So what I would probably recommend is any changes, and then it's up to you in terms of what, whether you want to receive it every time they respond or just the daily digest. So either one is totally fine. And then you hit save and you'll just get a little notification in your inbox. You can go into this doc and go ahead and make the changes on Salesforce. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.